Stop memorizing words. That's why you still can't speak English. Let me show you something nobody has told you. I'll explain it to you at the end of the video. Hello everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome back to Next Level English.
And I'm Emily, ready to learn with you all.
Today, we have a very important topic. Many people study English for years, but they still cannot speak.
That is my problem exactly. I know many words, but when I try to speak, I forget them all.
You are not alone, Emily. 99% of English learners miss one critical method. If you don't know this method, speaking will always feel impossible. But today, we will show you that method. Watch until the end of this video. You will learn the secret to finally speak English with confidence. We promise. Emily, how do you generally learn English?
I memorize new words from a list. I also watch movies.
That sounds like a good plan, but let's think about it differently. Imagine you want to be a great cook.
I love food. This is a great example.
You are buying many ingredients. Words and grammar are your ingredients. Your kitchen is full of flour, eggs, and sugar.
My kitchen is very full. So what is the problem?
You never actually cook.
What do you mean?
You just collect the ingredients. You read recipe books every day. You know everything about the ingredients, but you never mix them together to make a cake.
So my brain is a big kitchen with lots of ingredients, but no actual food?
Exactly. Most learners are great collectors. They are not cooks. Speaking English is creating something. It is cooking.
I am a collector, not a cook. I understand now.
Now, for everyone watching, I have a surprise for you. The reason you don't cook is not your fault.
It's not my fault. I love hearing that.
It is your brain's fault. Our brains are designed to be lazy.
My brain is lazy. That explains a lot.
Yes, our brains want to save energy. It's a survival instinct. Reading and listening are easy. They are passive.
It's like sitting on the sofa watching a cooking show. It uses very little energy.
I am an expert at watching TV.
But speaking is hard work for the brain. It is active. It's like you are in the kitchen mixing and baking. It uses a lot of energy.
So my brain just wants to watch the show. It does not want to do the work.
Exactly. Your brain will always choose the easy path. So you feel like you're learning when you collect words, but you are not building the cooking muscle, the speaking muscle too.
This is a huge discovery for me.
So the secret is finding a method that forces your lazy brain to cook, and we are going to show you how right now.
Here is the secret method. I call it the use it now rule.
The use it now rule. I like it.
It's very simple. When you learn a new word, you must use it. You must make your own sentence, and you must do it immediately.
Immediately? That sounds scary.
It trains your brain. Let's try. The word is enormous. It means very big. Make a sentence now, Emily. Now, okay?
That building is enormous.
Perfect. See, you did it. You took an ingredient and you cooked a small dish.
That felt good. It was my own sentence.
Yes. Now that word has a real connection in your brain. It is not just a definition anymore. Let's do one more. The word is exhausted. It means very tired.
Okay, I am ready. After a long day at work, I am exhausted.
Fantastic. Emily, you are a chef now.
I feel like a chef.
This is the method 98% of learners miss. They learn the word, They understand it, then they move on to the next word. They never cook with it, and so the word is forgotten.
Your sentences can be very simple. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to build the habit of using the language. So here is your plan. Stop being a collector. Start being a cook.
I will try.
Start small. Learn one new word every day and make one simple sentence with it. Say it out loud.
Just one sentence a day.
I can do that. One sentence a day is over 400 new sentences a year. It will train your brain to create, not just to collect.
This is how you build fluency. You can start practicing right now. Use the word enormous or exhausted in the comments below this video. Start cooking today. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. Don't forget that we love you very much. We would be very grateful if you supported us in the comments.